Hi, this email is for Chrissy, and this is how you create a draft post on Facebook or Instagram using Facebook Creator Studio. So you log into business.facebook.com/Creator Studio, or just Creator Studio on its own. And then you go into Create New, and then you can create a post. Say I create a Facebook post. So I could add here a text and add a photo. And if I go here at the bottom right, you would see publish as an option, and then I can also save as draft. If I click save as draft, it will now show up in my pre-published post. So this is your content library, but it's now moved to publish and pre-publish. Under pre-publish, you have schedule and draft. You can go into your draft, you can edit, preview, schedule, or you can decide to publish right away. The same concept applies for Instagram, where you decide to create a post on your Instagram feed. So if I go here and I do text and I add some content, if I go here and I go save as draft and I go save as draft here, it will show into, in this case, my content library. So I'm on the Instagram tab. In this case, you would have to go here to find your drafts, and you can edit them. I will delete them because I want to make sure I don't post this, but this is how you would go about it. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at any time, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and to ring the bell, so when there's an updated version of these videos, as the platforms keep changing, you will always get notified and have the latest information on hand. Thank you.